Hey everyone, happy Tuesday. Welcome back to another edition of the WIA Weekly Windup, where we meet you here every Tuesday at 10 a.m. Eastern to share a little bit about what we have going on within the Women in Analytics and Data Connect community. I have a couple of things for you today. First things first, if you have not been on our website recently, we did just share some new website updates. Let me show this here to you. So if you go to dataconnectconf.com to learn a little bit more about our annual events, we've got one coming up in Portland, Oregon in May. And then we have our annual Data Connect conference here in Columbus coming up this July. So if you're interested in learning about both of those and all of the opportunities that those entail, you can go to this website and learn a little bit more. We've got a couple of different changes here. So you can see the new Data Connect conference specific tab. You can click into this to learn a little bit more specifically about that event. If you're interested in learning about DCC West, you can click in here and check out those things as well. I have just a couple of announcements and fun things to share in regards to both events today. First things first, our call for speakers is still open for our Columbus event. It is open through the end of February. So if you are interested in sharing some knowledge or know someone who would be interested in sharing some knowledge around data analytics and AI, please send them to our website and to our call for speakers. There's a ton of information on here around like the different types of categories that we're looking for, benefits of speaking at the event, different topics that you could propose. The application is down here at the bottom. And again, this ends at the end of February. We are currently seeking more technical folks. So if you are somebody who can really get into the nitty gritty, maybe show some code, some things like that, we would certainly love to hear from you. Our founder, Reagan, posted a really great post last week just describing a little bit more about what we were looking for. So we have reshared that via our LinkedIn. So you can definitely tune in there and kind of get a better understanding of what we're in search of. But we would love to hear from anyone regardless. So again, the call for speakers for our Columbus event ends on February 29th. Please feel free to tag folks in this if you think that they would be interested. We've got a variety of things that you can submit on. And then additionally, if you need some inspiration around things to share, you can click in this drop-down tab here, go to previous sessions, and you can learn a little bit more about all of the speakers that we've had over the years, their roles when they spoke, what organizations they were working with when they spoke, and then also the topics that they spoke on as well. So if you need some inspo, this is a great place to kind of check that out. We've got pages and pages of speakers as well. So, and then we are working on announcing all of our workshops over the last couple of weeks for the Columbus event. To provide some additional context around those workshops. They are pre-conference workshops. They are hosted the Wednesday before the event. So this year they will be hosted on July 10th. We have 4 options for workshops this year. We've added 3 of those 4 options to our website so far. So if you hit this drop down, go to workshops, you can learn a little bit more about the different workshops that we're going to be hosting. Again, we will have a total of 4, but we have 3 of them locked in and ready to go. So if you're interested in exploring these, you can check those out. We'll also be making some announcements via socials over the next couple of weeks and diving a little bit more into the content itself. But if you're interested in kind of discovering what those pre-conference workshop options will be, you can check that out here. To also provide some context around the workshops, we offer workshop combo pass pricing. So with this option, you have an opportunity to not only attend both days of the event, but loop in a workshop option of your choice at a pretty significant discount. You can also purchase them separately as well. So if you've already purchased your in-conference pass, or can't attend both days of the event and still want to participate in the workshop, you have the opportunity here to select workshop only. The workshops are only available in person. So if you are interested in attending a workshop, you'll need to make sure that you're able to join us here in Columbus. We do host the workshops in really close proximity of the Hyatt, which is where our conference takes place. It's within walking distance at the Denison Edge space, which they've been great partners around hosting our workshops last year. And we're excited to be working with them again. So again, if you're interested in joining one of those workshop options, you've got combo pass pricing where you can get access to the event and a workshop, or you could purchase the workshop on its own. And then if you're interested in learning more about those in this drop-down workshops, again, we'll also be announcing those on socials over the next couple of weeks too. We also officially have launched our Startup Showcase application. If you were able to attend the event last year, this was the first year that we had the Startup Showcase. It's just a great opportunity for folks who are kind of kicking off their startups and wanting some additional visibility to get on stage, practice a pitch, get some feedback from our VC panel. So there's a lot more information on the website here. Again, if you go into this drop-down Startup Showcase, it'll take you directly to this page. You can learn a little bit more about the benefits of pitching, kind of our mission behind putting this program together. We are partnering with Sadie St. Lawrence and Women in Data on this initiative. So Sadie will be moderating our Startup Showcase, also working on securing one last VC panelist as well. And then if you scroll to the bottom, you can provide a little bit more information around your startup. The deadline to apply is April 1st. So if you are interested in submitting for that, you have a little bit more time to do so. And then we'll pick the top 3 from the applications to actually come to the event. We'll cover up to 3 folks' tickets for that. And then, yeah, you'll have an opportunity to pitch on stage and get some feedback, which is a great opportunity. So if you're interested, that application is open and available now as well. We will also be posting, of course, on socials around that too. And then we also have, like I mentioned, our Data Connect West event coming this May. We have secured a student scholarship sponsor for this year. So if you are a student who is interested in attending Data Connect West on May 8th of this year, you have an opportunity to attend the event for free. You do have to be a current student. You have to be able to provide proof that you're a current student. But if you are and you're interested in traveling to Portland for our DCC West event, the application for that is open. There's some information here around that, lots of questions for you to fill out. That application is closing on April 5th, so a little bit more time around that as well. If you have any questions around any of the things that we've shared today, but particularly the student scholarship, you can email us at info@womeninaanalytics.com, and we're happy to help you out with that. But yeah, excited to be partnering with Willamette on this. Basically what it entails is access to the event. If you're out of state, we'll take care of one night of the hotel for you as well. And then we host just a little student kind of private breakfast opportunity in the morning before the event kicks off. So a great opportunity to connect with the sponsor and the supporter of sending you to the event, and a great opportunity to attend the event for free. So those were the couple of announcements I had today. Just to kind of recap what that looks like. The call for speakers for our Columbus event currently open. If you are interested in learning a little bit more, or if you have a talk put together that you're interested in submitting, dataconnectconf.com, in this drop down here, call for speakers. Our Startup Showcase just recently got launched, the application for that. So if you're interested in learning a little bit more about how your startup can pitch at DCC in Columbus this July, you can go to Startup Showcase tab here. We are going to be, again, announcing workshops over the next couple of weeks. We have the 3 that we have locked in so far already posted on the website. So if one of those is intriguing to you and you're interested in locking that in, please do so. We are going to be capping these workshops at, I believe, 30 attendees per workshop. So the space is limited. If you are interested in attending, I would certainly recommend grabbing your workshop combo pass ticket now, or if you're not able to attend the rest of the event but still want to attend the workshop, you have an opportunity to purchase a workshop only as well. And again, those workshops are in person here in Columbus. And then DCC West, again, we have a student scholarship sponsorship opportunity available. So if you are a student and interested in attending DCC West in Portland this May, that application is open. We will be posting about all these things on socials over the next couple of weeks, but just wanted to hit on them here as well. That is all I have for you today. I appreciate everyone who's able to join this morning, and enjoy the rest of your Tuesday. Thank you.